Single cylinder. A single-cylinder engine is the simplest and most common type found in motorcycles, especially in smaller bikes and commuters. It uses one piston to produce power, which keeps the design light, compact, and easy to maintain. This type of engine became popular early in motorcycle history because it was affordable to produce and reliable for everyday use. You will often find it in bikes used for city riding, where fuel efficiency and simplicity matter more than high speed. The power delivery tends to feel steady but not very smooth at higher speeds, since all the work is done by a single moving part. Despite that, it remains widely used because it is easy to repair and does not require complex engineering. For many riders, it is the starting point into motorcycling, offering a practical and accessible experience. Parallel twin. A parallel twin engine uses two cylinders placed side by side, working together to produce power more smoothly than a single cylinder. This layout became more common as manufacturers looked for a balance between performance and simplicity. Compared to a single cylinder, it reduces vibration and provides a more consistent power flow, making it suitable for both city riding and longer journeys. Many modern motorcycles use this configuration because it is compact and relatively cost-effective to build. The engine can be tuned in different ways, allowing it to feel either calm and efficient or more responsive and sporty. Over time, parallel twins have become a popular choice in mid-range motorcycles, offering enough power for highway use without becoming too heavy or complex. V-twin. V-twin engine places two cylinders in a V shape, usually at an angle, which creates a distinctive look and sound. This design has a long history, especially in American and European motorcycles, and is closely associated with brands that focus on character and riding feel. The layout allows for strong low-end torque, meaning the bike can pull smoothly without needing high engine speeds. It also produces a unique rhythm that many riders recognize instantly. V-twin engines are often found in cruiser and touring motorcycles, where comfort and steady power are more important than top speed. While they can be heavier and more complex than simpler engines, they offer a riding experience that feels relaxed and controlled, making them popular for long-distance travel. Inline Triple. An inline triple engine, also known as a three-cylinder engine, sits between a twin and a four-cylinder in terms of design and performance. It uses three cylinders arranged in a straight line, creating a balance between smoothness and strong torque. This type of engine became more popular as manufacturers experimented with ways to combine the benefits of different layouts. It offers a unique sound and delivers power in a way that feels both responsive and controlled. Riders often notice that it pulls strongly from low speeds while still being capable at higher speeds. The inline triple is commonly used in sport and naked motorcycles where versatility is important. It stands out as a middle ground option, offering a mix of character, performance, and usability. Inline Four. An inline four engine uses four cylinders placed in a straight line, and it is one of the most well-known configurations in high-performance motorcycles. This layout became widely popular through racing, where smooth power delivery and high engine speeds are essential. The engine is capable of producing strong top-end power, allowing motorcycles to reach high speeds with relative ease. It also runs very smoothly, as the workload is shared across multiple cylinders. However, it can feel less responsive at lower speeds compared to smaller engines. Inline four engines are commonly found in sport bikes, where speed and acceleration are key priorities. Over time, this configuration has come to represent performance and precision, making it a favorite among riders who enjoy fast and controlled riding. Boxer twin. The boxer twin engine features two cylinders that lie flat and extend outward in opposite directions. This design was developed to improve balance, as the movement of the pistons cancels out much of the vibration. It has been used for many years, particularly by manufacturers that focus on stability and long-distance comfort. The engine sits low in the motorcycle, which helps lower the center of gravity and improves handling at slower speeds. Boxer engines are often associated with touring and adventure motorcycles, where stability and smoothness are important. While the design is wider than other engines, it offers a unique riding feel that many riders appreciate. It represents a different approach to engine layout, focusing on balance and control rather than compact size. V4. A V4 engine uses four cylinders arranged in a V shape, combining elements of both V-twin and inline four designs. This configuration is less common but is known for offering a mix of strong performance and compact size. It allows for smooth power delivery while keeping the engine shorter than an inline four, which can help with weight distribution. V4 engines have often been used in high-performance and racing motorcycles, where precise handling and strong acceleration are important. They can be more complex to build and maintain, which is one reason they are not as widespread. Despite that, They offer a refined and balanced performance that appeals to riders looking for something different from the usual engine layouts. Electric motor. An electric motor is a newer type of motorcycle engine that does not rely on fuel combustion, but instead uses stored electrical energy to produce motion. Unlike traditional engines, it delivers power instantly, with no need for gears in many cases. This creates a smooth and quiet riding experience that feels very different from petrol-powered bikes. Electric motorcycles have become more common as technology has improved and interest in cleaner transportation has grown. They require less maintenance because there are fewer moving parts, and they do not produce exhaust emissions. However, range and charging time are still important considerations for riders. As the industry continues to evolve, electric motors are becoming an increasingly important part of the motorcycle world, offering a new direction for how bikes are powered.